Hey guys, welcome back. How are you? How are you? How are you? I hope you had a nice holiday. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to mix resin. It is great for those beginners and those of you who've been mixing for a little while, you might get a little something too. I've been mixing resin for about 5 years, so just make sure you take those necessary precautions. I always wear gloves. If you see me to not happen to have gloves, I eventually put them on. I work in a well ventilated area because of the fumes of the resin. So, and I take those precautions. I have a ceiling fan. I have my window always open. So that's how I take those necessary precautions. And whenever I'm mixing, I do not lean my head down over the cup while I'm mixing. Overall, it's just very important to read those instructions that come from the company that manufactured your resin. Let's head over.